Welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And today, we're starting off today, this beautiful autumn day, straight on the bike. And it's Halloween today, actually. I'm not really sure when this video will come out, but it will definitely not come out on Halloween because it's Halloween right now. I got my friend Adami behind me, following me in the car. We're going up to my garage to pick up my Road King, and we're gonna go for a ride. We're meeting up with some guys from the Indian dealership, and we're taking a little ride around. I don't really know where, but we're going for a ride, and I have no idea what the plan is, but do you always need a plan though? Adami has never seen my Road King, so it'll be fun to get his reaction on it, because he's a big Harley lover, just like me.
Fuck yeah.
It's a beautiful baby. It's the first time I've ever had my Triumph follow me, or that I've ever seen anyone else riding the Triumph other than the mechanic. It's kind of cool. Also, Adami's got like a full outfit to fit it as well, which is just his like normal everyday outfit. But it just like fits the bike so fucking well. I was afraid he would look really small because he's like way taller than me, and I'm already really tall. So, but he doesn't. He looks good. It's a good looking bike actually. I always forget how good looking that bike is. I got two fucking beautiful motorcycles, undoubtedly. So this weekend is will be a little interesting because I've got loads of friends in town this weekend. Me and Adami going out for a ride is just one of the things this weekend. I mean, I don't even know, there's so many people in town. I'm gonna have a party tonight in the pub. We got Telegram Frank playing for us tonight, and all this shit. We gotta close the bar at 11 in the night. I mean, it has to be absolutely shut. Last night I had the cops on the door knocking, checking if we were shut. It's fucking ridiculous. But anyway, so we're gonna party out today because on Monday, today's Saturday, on Monday we're going in for our fucking second lockdown. So I'm glad a bunch of my friends are here now so we can have like a one last blast. But first we need the good old gasoline. Alright, or as I like to call it, the blood. Okay, we got the blood in the tanks and we're ready to go. We got like a 15-minute, 20-minute ride out to Indian now, which is not a big deal. And it gives Adami time to get used to the Wrath, because it's very different than many other bikes. He was saying the clutches, something getting used to, and that's true. I don't even think about it. I didn't even tell him about it. It's like far out. But yeah, he'll get used to it. So here we are, Indian motorcycles, and none of us is riding an Indian. Yeah, whatever. They used to sell a lot of other things. They sold me my Triumph, so. survived the rat. Well done.
The rat survived me.
So here we go. Okay, boys are riding hard, man. Holy shit. That was worth getting up early for, definitely. 100%. Check this out. What a sight to see. I have no idea where we are right now. We're at some roadside cafe in the middle of fuck all. We've just followed everybody, and I must say when we got on the Autobahn, the boys rode fucking hard. I was surprised, but hey, it was so well organized. The boys from Indian is just stopping every traffic. We're blasting through every red light. It's very well organized, and it feels very safe to travel with a massive pack like this. So they're doing a really good job, and I think maybe I'm gonna try and get some food and maybe a cheeky little beer. So we're heading out from the little restaurant we were in, and we're heading back to a clubhouse by some of the guys here, the Travelers or something. I can't remember the name of their club, I'm so sorry. Trailer Pack Travelers, that's what the club is called. We're heading back to their clubhouse now. What an awesome weekend. It was just insane. It started off on Friday, some friends came to town, we just had some chill drinks. Saturday morning, Halloween morning, me and Adami took these two beautiful bikes out for a ride with Indian motorcycles. It was just fucking sick. We went back to the clubhouse, as I mentioned at the end of the last clip, but if you've ever been to an MC clubhouse, it's not the place to randomly whip out a camera and start filming around. So obviously I didn't do that, and we're back in the garage. This weekend was a sick blast out into lockdown 2.0 here in Germany. But the shit thing about this lockdown is that as of currently, they only shut down gastro businesses, meaning pubs, restaurants, cafes, or anywhere where you can go and enjoy yourself, basically. And since I'm a bar manager, that means that I'm stuck here for what seems like a month without a job. But luckily I got these two babies to entertain myself with, and what I'm going to be doing right now is to put some highway pegs on the Rockin. Because I noticed when I take this bike a little further, everything is super comfortable, but I have some long ass fucking legs and I would like to stretch them out when I go a little bit further distances. And the crash bars are just not wide enough for me to put my legs on, so highway pegs should be the solution, most likely.
Highway pegs are on each side. They're a little bit of a pain in the ass to put on, but I got them on. And the bike is just way wider than it has to be right now, but that's what you gotta do for comfort.
So now the highway pegs are on, as you know, and this camera is running out of battery. Yeah, and it ran out just there, so here I am on my phone. Which is not ideal. I wanted to do a little bit more filming, but I didn't bring a charger and I don't really have time to do all the things. So this is basically the video for now. I'm gonna take the bike out real quick and just test the highway pegs just to see how they sit and how they feel and all that good stuff. But you have to wait until another video that I'm gonna film tomorrow, so where you get to see me use them and some other things on the bike. So stay tuned on the channel, and how you stay tuned is to subscribe and hit the bell and comment and do all that good stuff that YouTubers tell you to do. Of course, since I'm one of them, I'm another one of them that will tell you what to do. And I'm not telling you what to do. I'm asking you politely, please subscribe to my channel, because these two motorcycles need a little bit more love, and the way they get out there and get seen, these beautiful machines, is by you subscribing and sharing the video. So thanks for watching another video here at WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And until next time, bye bye.